Trying to love me, do you plan to hold on tight? Will you promise never to let go? I like you very much indeed, because you are a friend of mine, and we will stick it through. It doesn't matter what we go through in life. Promise to love me, do you plan to hold on tight? Will you promise never to let go? I like you very much indeed, because you are a friend. This is a story about four kids. They were walking store on this island. They did not know who the parents were, but there was a person named Michael who looked after them. These are their stories. It was a lovely Saturday on the island, and it was very sunny, so they decided they would go for a walk, and that's what they did. A lovely day today for a walk. The sun is shining brightly down on today. It's a lovely day for a walk indeed. And when you're with your friend, the friend you like a lot, it's a gorgeous day indeed for a walk with your friend. It's a lovely day today indeed. Sarah said to David, what is that thing? David said, I don't know. Sarah said, you probably shouldn't touch it. David said, yeah, let's not touch it. David said, how about we just go back? Sarah said, yeah, let's go back. They basically came back from their hike, and they basically had an early dinner, is what they did. Afterwards, they basically hanged out in the living room. Basically, daytime turned to nighttime, and it was nighttime, so they stayed out and watched television, but basically it was time for them to go to bed, so they said goodnight to Michael and then went to bed. It was basically Sunday morning, and David woke up first, and he was going to sneak out of the house because he was going to touch that thing and take it into his room is what he was going to do. David basically came to the point where there was a ball, so he decided he was going to touch it, and he was going to pick it up and take it where he lived, to his room is what he was going to do. When David reached to touch the ball, something happened. It started to rain, so he decided he would go a different way home. When David made it back to the house, it stopped raining, but his clothes were all soaking wet, so he did not know what to do. But they asked him why were his clothes wet, and he said he got caught in the rain. So they told him to sit by the fire to dry off, and that's what he did. Basically, it came to a point on the day where it was dinner time, and for dinner, they had roast chicken, and it was delicious. After dinner, they hanged around in the living room. Once again, daytime turned to nighttime. It was nighttime. So David said he wanted to go outside to get a breath of fresh air, so he did, before he went to bed. David said to the moon, well, today, I got myself in a little bit of trouble. I tested that, and then it started to rain. I got caught in the rain. I got all soaking wet. I eventually got dry by sitting by the fire, but that's basically how my day went. You know, I'm gonna sing a little song about nighttime, okay, Mr. Mo? It goes like this. It's nighttime now, and the moon is shining brightly in the sky tonight, and it's a lovely night tonight, and there's not a cloud in sight, and the moon is shining brightly down on us tonight. It's a lovely night indeed, a very lovely night, and when you're at night, you say at home, it's a lovely night today. Yes, I have to go now. I hear Michael calling me, telling me it's time for bed. So, good night, Mr. Mo. Promise to love me, do you promise to hold on tight? Will you promise never to let go? I like you very much and need you, because you are a friend of mine, and we will stick it through. It doesn't matter what we go through in life.